Good morning, students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. Today, we are going to discuss about resistivity. You may have had electric shocks, haven't you? Did you get shocked on a plastic wire? Is it not possible? You can't get shock from plastic wires, but why is it so? It is because of phenomena of resistivity. Let's read the resistivity of various materials. Before that, we have to know what is resistance. We know that electric current that flows the next circuit is similar to the water flowing through a river. In a river, rock, branches, and other particles resist the flow of water. In a very similar fashion, a circuit has element to resist the flow of current. Resistance is nothing but this property of resistivity, the flow of electrons or the current. The unit of resistance is ohm. 1 ohm is equal to volt by ampere. From Ohm's law, we have seen R is equal to V by I. Here, where V is the voltage and I is the current, R is the resistance. Dear children, do you know why we are using resistors in electric circuit? These resistors are also used to resist or control the flow of electrons by the conductive material. They do not provide any path to the circuit. They may reduce the voltage and current passing through the circuit. In resistors or passive devices, most of the resistor was made up of carbon metal or metal oxide film. What is resistivity? Resistivity is the resistance per unit length and cross sectional area. It is the property of the material that opposes the flow of charge or the flow of electric current. The unit of resistivity is ohm meter. So we can verify by doing an experiment that the resistance of any conductor or is directly proportional to the length of conductor L and is inversely proportional to its area of cross section A. In this image, imagine that there is a coil of wire. Its length is what? L. The area of cross section is A. The resistivity is what? Rho. Okay, resistance is what? Rho. R is directly proportional to the length of conductor. R is directly proportional to length. Okay, and it's inversely proportional to what? Area of cross section. R is inversely proportional to area. When you combine here two, we will get R is directly proportional to L by R is inversely proportional to area. So R is equal to rho L by A. Here rho is resistivity. To remove the proportionality, we are adding constant that is called what? Resistivity. R is equal to resistivity L by A. Here rho is a constant called electrical resistivity or specific resistivity. Resistance of the material of the conductor. Okay, from the above equation, we'll get resistivity is equal to R A by L. If we substitute L is equal to 1 meter and area is equal to 1 meter squared, then from the above equation, we will get resistivity is equal to R. Dear students, do you know different materials have different resistivity? For example, copper and aluminium have a low resistivity, good conductors, have less resistivity. Insulators have high resistivity. The resistivity of semiconductors lies between the conductors and insulators. Gold is a good conductor of electricity and so it has low resistivity. Glass is a good conductor which does not allow the flow of electrons, hence, it has a high resistivity. Silicon is a semiconductor and so it is allow partial movements of electrons. The resistivity of silicon comes between glass and gold. The resistivity for perfect conductors is 0 and the resistivity for perfect insulator is infinite. Dear children, do you know nichrome is a conductor with the highest resistivity equal to 1.5 meter. Hence, it is used in making heating element. Next topic is conductance and conductivity. Conductance of a material is the property of material and to flow the charges and the passage of circuit in it. Okay. Then conductance of material. How you will write in mathematical way? Conductance is defined as reciprocal of its resistance. So this conductance is denoted as capital G and the reciprocal of resistance is equal to 1 by R. What is the unit of conductance? Its unit is ohm inverse. It is also represented as mho. This conductivity, the reciprocal of resistivity of a material, is called its electrical conductivity. So this conductivity symbol is what? Sigma. Sigma is equal to 1 by rho. Its unit is ohm inverse, meter inverse. It is also represented as mho meter inverse. Copper, aluminium, etc., while some other materials are non-conductors of electric current, that is insulator, glass, wood, rubber, etc. Conductivity is more for conductors than for insulator, but the resistivity is less for conductors than for insulator. The resistivity of some commonly used material is given in this table. Copper, nickel, chromium. Copper resistivity is 6.12 into 10 power minus 8. Nickel resistivity is 6.84 into 10 power minus 8. Chromium resistivity is 12.9 into 10 power minus 8. Insulator, glass and rubber. Glass 10 power 10 to 10 power 14. Rubber 10 power 13 to 10 power 16. Dear students, so far you have learned how the resistance of a conductor affects the current through a circuit, and we also study the case of simple electric circuit containing a resistor. That's all for today's class. Thank you students. Have a good day.